Hi everyone, today I am talk about how to create intro video for your YouTube channel. It's very easy to make a video for your YouTube videos. It's attractive thing to add a video before your video. So going toward the video, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button. Go on Play Store and install IntroMaker. I already installed in my device. I just open this app and I show you how to make intro video for your YouTube videos. Just click on this. I already download this. So this is intro. You select intro. A lot of intro is available in this app. I select this for you. Just here title, add your title here, channel name. I have Haqeeqat Tech channel. I just add this on click, add here different designs of your channel name. Click according to your choice, which one is best for your channel. I add this, this, I add this. I just select here I add this. Click on done, stay free mode and add subtitle. If you have any subtitle, then add here. I have technology videos, so I add tricks. Tricky videos. You add your subtitle according to your channel. I just add this here. I want to change the style of this channel. I want to add like this or like this. Here I add this and click on done, stay free mode. Now you add here, this time is increased, and also this. Now you add sticker here. I am add this sticker for my channel. Click on done button, add this picture at the last of the video. Now you add picture also. Here are very good pictures are available. Which one you add to your channel, just click on the pic. I just add this. Just add this pic on the corner of the video. So I add this here. Small size. Here I add this. Click on done button and increase the size and also increase time of the pic. Now I add to the music or sound. Here a lot of sound is available according to your channel videos. Add the sounds from here. I just add here music. Here a lot of music is available. I just add intro music here. This is music I want to add in this video. Click on tick button and this is the intro is prepared. just click on OK, and this video is exporting to your gallery and save to your folder. After exporting, just check your video if you intro for videos. Add this intro before your videos. I show you are in gallery. Open the this is the intro saved in this folder. So for more videos, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button.